In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable.dev. This is a handy tool for developers, and today we'll explore its features step by step. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lovable.dev website. Simply type the URL into the address bar and hit enter. Once the site loads, you'll see the main interface. It's user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing, which makes it easy to navigate. Next, we'll focus on the highlight feature. On the main dashboard, you should see an option labeled Highlight. Go ahead and click on that. It's typically found on the upper part of the home page, and it's designed to bring important elements or sections to your attention. Once the highlight feature is activated, you'll see a text box where you can type. This is your next stop. Here, input the information or data you want to emphasize. This feature is incredibly useful for noting down critical points or reminders without the risk of overlooking them later. Continue typing into the highlight area as needed. The more details you can keep here, the more organized your workflow will become. It's a simple yet effective way to manage and prioritize your tasks right on the dashboard. When you're done typing, you might want to click the highlight feature again. This action ensures that everything you've added is saved and properly highlighted for easy access during your project management or creative sessions. At this point, let's navigate around the site. Click on the Lovable icon, which usually redirects you to the main hub or dashboard. If you see an option called Thought, click on it and hold for about 10 seconds. This prolongation allows you to fully engage with the interface, unlocking additional capabilities or insights. The next step is to look for a prompt or card offering to help you create a digital products platform. It highlights e-commerce possibilities such as selling software, courses, or eBooks. Clicking on this option will guide you to a new project setup that's pretty straightforward. Now explore the backend functionalities. Look for features related to user authentication and database storage. These components are integral as they solidify the foundation of your platform's security and data management. Following that, you'll see options related to payment processing. Dive into these particulars as they will be pivotal in setting up any e-commerce functionality. Supabase integration docs may pop up. Click on them for extra resources and guides to streamline your development process. Finally, ensure you've explored options to enhance your platform's interface. Click on prompts that suggest creating a modern, user-friendly storefront interface. Aim for one that offers elegant design paired with seamless interactions to make it inviting for users. To wrap up, explore all visible options like Show All and Attach to ensure you've not missed out on any critical tools or information. With these steps, you're now equipped to explore and utilize Lovable.dev to its full potential. Happy developing!